I'm not supposed to be here right now because I'm dressed like a hooker and none of you like me. But I just wanted to say congratulations.
Maddie, get out of here.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, now you know. So in today's video, I decided to film something a little different. I'm going to be doing makeup. If you know me, you know I'm not good at makeup at all. And if I do my makeup, it's just to take a picture on my Instagram and I literally take it off after because it's just not for me, you know? But in today's video, I'm going to be turning myself into a euphoria girl. Yes, Euphoria. If you haven't seen that show, go watch the show. So I have a picture that I'm going to use as reference. I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. So we're kind of just going to talk through this, work our way through it because I need full support while doing this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, which is every Tuesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's get started. My foundation that I use, and I just use the Lancome Ultra Wear foundation. I really wish I was a beauty guru when it came to stuff like this, but honestly I'm not, and it sucks because if I was good at makeup, I would be like, oh my god, this is amazing. And I have a mirror right here, so I'm going to be looking here. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna keep applying this and I'll get back to you when it's evenly coated. So I use two different types of concealer. I use the Pretty Vulgar concealer in the shade Undercover, and I just use this Pure Mineral concealer in the shade Medium. Most of my makeup that I get is from my BoxyCharm, which I just canceled because they just send so much makeup, and like, if you know me, you know I don't wear any of it. So, and if I do wear makeup outside, it's literally just concealer, powder, highlight, and then like a lip gloss. Every time I do my makeup, I always break out like right here, and it makes me feel so disgusting. Anyways, I'm just gonna go in with this and blend it. And okay, so now I'm gonna set my face with just this Kat Von D base powder from the palette. Okay, so now I'm gonna bake my face, and while I'm baking, I'll do my eyebrows. And I'm just using the Becca Cosmetics I was about to say foundation. It's called the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder.
Oh, it just spilled all over me.
You guys seem to enjoy my Get Ready With Me video of me like struggling, so I guess it was pretty funny to you guys because like I just suck, you know? Okay, and for my eyebrows, I just use this. There is no name on this at all. I wish I could show you guys. It's just really just black. I try to get my eyebrows done as much as possible because when they grow out, I look like a different person. While we let this to sit, go follow my Instagram, go follow my Poshmark, go follow my TikTok. Every social media I have is always linked in the description box below, so go follow them. Okay, now that I let it sit, I'm just gonna blend it. Keep blending, keep blending. I'm gonna be taking my Hoola bronzer. We need some color. Okay, now for the eyeshadow. Heavenly Father. Ow. I'm kind of just going to do my own spin on it and just hope for the best. So for the palettes that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm using the Norvina by Anastasia. I'm also using this My Little Pony one from ColourPop when I used to like try and actually do my makeup. And it just has like cute little like purples and pinks. And then if I really need something, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I'm just gonna take a shade from that and I'm gonna use that as my base to just start it off. So this is it's like this color. It's right here. Kill myself. That's what it looks like. My eyelid, like that. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna kind of go into my crease with it too. So yeah, we're just gonna try our best. Try our best. Okay, so I have it applied on both lids now, and I'm gonna take Love from the Norvina palette, which is like a light pink color. I'll show it to you guys. It's this one right here. Hopefully you can see that. Can you see that? I'm kind of just like applying it into my inner corner more. So I'm just gonna be using like a flat brush from the Luxie. It's called a Precision Crease Brush. I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar one because it's the lighter one, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on the brush like that much. And just, we're gonna take this, where's the brush? I just had it. We're gonna be taking Celestial. I think that's how you say it, Celestial. Can you? Hopefully you can see that. Celestial from this palette. And we're just gonna be applying it. Okay, it doesn't look that bad yet. So like you can see the definition between the contrast, is that what it's called? The contrast between like the purple and the pink. Like, okay, so I did the eye makeup on both sides, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to take my like rhinestones now and put them in the places I want. These are just like regular Dollar Tree rhinestones. You can get them off of Amazon too if you want. Okay, so like, are they not gonna stick? Are you kidding me right now? Like, no, this cannot be happening. Okay. So, okay, so they kind of like come off in strips, which is a little good. Okay, one under my brow bone. If it would stop sticking to my finger and stick to my face, that would be beautiful. So, like, so you put two here. It's like, yeah, perfect. Okay. Now I'll just press it down so that it could stick. And then one in my inner corner. Okay, come on. Like, work. What the hell? Bruh! Okay, this is not sticky now. The struggle I'm going through right now is ridiculous. Okay, so I finally figured out how to put the lashes on. They don't even look that good, but it's okay. I'm gonna be doing my highlight now, and I put the gems on. This literally took me, like, no lie, an hour to do. So the highlight that I'm using is the Radiant Glow Highlighter by Ibby Beauty. I don't remember where I got this from. It's probably like my mom's or something, but it is okay. So I'm just applying that like to my cupid's bow, my nose, and then my cheekbones like I always do. I do a little bit on my chin too, and some on like my forehead.
day.